Wow, you actually look like an angel.
Yeah, so last poll is gonna be, do we hook up? Yes, no, just. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm dying of heat exhaustion in the car right now, so I'll try and make this quick. So, the last time I filmed an Instagram controls my day video, I had so much fun. So I thought it would be really fun to do another one, and I thought it would be fun to do an Instagram controls my date night video. So I went onto Tinder and matched with some people and I got myself a boyfriend. I'm kidding. I don't have a boyfriend. So I was like, that's okay. I can do it with a friend. Who needs a boyfriend? So I'm going over to Kiara's house. If you don't know who Kiara is, where have you been? Go check out some of my videos. She's one of my best friends. I love her so much. She's so amazing. So I'm really excited to go and hang out with Kiara. And she's also a makeup artist and she's amazing at makeup. So one of the polls I'm going to do is going to be related to makeup. I hope people vote yes so she can do my makeup because I love getting my makeup done. But anyway, so basically what's going to happen is I'm going to do what I did in my last Instagram Decides My Day video. Go check that out. I will put a link in the description box below. But basically what I'm going to do is put on my Instagram story polls. So the poll could be like, what do I wear? Where do we go to eat for dinner? And then I'll put two options and whichever option wins is what we're going to do. So obviously I'm filming this before posting this, so you can't go and vote now. But I do want to do more of these type of videos. If you want to go check out my Instagram so you can vote on future ones, it is at Imogen.Russell. But anyway, I am dying of heat exhaustion. I'm starting to sweat a lot in this really hot sauna of a car. So I'm gonna head off and I will see you at Kiara's house. I'm at Kiara's. She's just getting ready. First poll is gonna be, where do we go to get dinner? Like where, not the place we go to, but the suburb. So the options were going to be Cronulla, which is the area we're in now, or Newtown. Really want to get Newtown. Like I want to go to Newtown. And Newtown is better.
Then just skip it and do
No, but then that's not how it works. I mean, I'm sure people will vote Newtown. I hope.
I don't know.
I'm going to write over my face because I look dead. Like I look really bad.
Wait, I feel like this has potential. Can you do it again? Stop it.
Do you want me to try a different filter? Does it?
No. No, the other one was pretty yuck. Can you do it from like high up? Oh no, not that high. That's like POV.
That's cute. You look cute. Okay, so I just put up the post saying that we're filming a video where you guys are going to vote for what we do. So I'm going to put the first poll up, which is going to be where we go. And it's either going to be Newtown, which has really good restaurants. Kiara, what about Wollongong? Is that too far?
That's so fucking far. I
thought it was halfway there.
I don't know any places.
Yeah, no, okay, that was just a thought. Okay. Just kidding. Okay, so it's gonna be, do we go to Newtown or Cronulla? I feel like Newtown's gonna win because like Cronulla's so basic. Wow, that I look like a ghost and like a kid smiling like that, but oh well. No, not oh well, that looks terrible. Okay, where do we go for our date night? Should I say PS, we're friends, not lesbians? PS, we are friends, not actually dating LaMayo. Okay, gonna story that. So it's 4 o'clock now. We'll probably wait an hour or so before we find out where we're going. Okay, I'm gonna do a poll for what I should wear. The tiny little dress that I really wanted to wear last time and it didn't get picked. I was gonna ask your opinion for what should the second option be. It's just red dress.
2-piece.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I've actually never worn this dress yet. So this is option 1 and option 2 is this 2-piece, which is these shorts and this tie up top, which I'm not really sure how it works. Which outfit? So that is going to be the second poll. While that's up, I'm also going to put a poll for which shoes I wear. So it's going to be either Air Forces, big surprise, or these platform wedge sandals. should also just do the next post, which is do I wear makeup? I'm gonna write on the screen something like that you're a makeup artist and you'll do something really cool. Wait, what did he reply?
No, my dad.
Wait, he sends you memes? That's so cute. What the hell?
That's so funny.
That's amazing. So the next poll is just do I wear makeup, and it's yes, no, but I also wrote aka Kiara Jones, she's a makeup artist, we'll do some snazzy art on my face. Okay, it's been half an hour since I did where should we go, should I check who's winning? You're gonna find out who's winning when you vote.
I don't know. No!
It's Canala winning. What the wait,
but maybe it doesn't have like many votes. I don't know, it just says
it's only been 28%. That's a lot. Why? I thought everyone would vote for what the hell? I'm so offended. I mean, I'm sure people will vote Newtown. I feel like Newtown's gonna win. Why are people voting for Cronulla? That's so lame.
How many votes does it actually have so far?
There's only 126 for Cronulla and 86 for Newtown. I should message people and be like, please go and vote for Newtown. Wow, we're just gonna leave these polls up for a little bit and then see what the people say. Okay, poll update so far. The makeup one is the only one where it's not like neck and neck. It's winning by a lot. Which means, yeah, so which means I get to do another poll, which is what type of, we're just going to do like eye makeup, what type of eye makeup look we go for. I'm thinking of doing the poll as a brown smoky eye or emo vibes. Would you be like down for that, or are you like against this already?
I never do black.
So emo vibes?
I mean emo vibes and then like a palm tree place.
Just the eyes. No one's going to vote for emo vibes though.
You're cooked, like actually.
I know though.
Why am I like clean this? That's what I do when I think.
Yeah, what the hell?
This is. You better edit this well and take out everything about my messages.
Yeah, no, I am proud of ya. Would it make sense if I just said what I look? Is that what you say for makeup? What I look? Yeah.
I've been praying through the night.
Either brown smoky or emo vibes.
Wait, they're like the same thing, Imi. Okay, do
brown smoky or purple are the eye options. Okay, so the next poll I'm going to do is what hairstyle. Either like half up, half down, or I'm going to do an option for space buns, which is really random, like really random. And I don't think my hair's thick enough to do space buns. And if people vote for space buns, then
people are gonna vote for space buns because they're gonna like try and make it as like fun.
Yeah, well, they might not. I don't know. How do I do my hair? I'm gonna check the polls so we can get cracking on getting ready. It's been over an hour since the very first poll, which was where do we go? Oh, Cronulla's still winning, but we'll give that a little bit more time. Okay, so which outfit do I wear? God damn it, this always happens. No, I just want the Tiger Lily dress. That's why I've done it again. The two pieces won 51%. Just beat the Tiger Lily dress. The platform wedges have won 52% platform wedges. 74% of people said yes, I wear makeup. Yay, I get to get my makeup done, which I love. 72% voted for brown smoky eye and 28% purple. How do I do my hair? Ooh, half up, half down, 70% to 30%. And that's only been up for 24 minutes. Time to get changed, and then Kiara's gonna do my makeup, and I'll need to do my hair.
Let's just spin up my nose.
That happens with me because I have this sword.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, I was doing a push-up and this, yeah, it was really horrible.
Yeah, you
tie it. But I tried tying it. Or you could do like a halter neck.
You tie it on the back. But you can also tie it on the front.
Yeah, no, I was trying to tie it on the front as well.
I saw you from across the room.
No, back. For sure back.
Should I do a hole?
For sure back.
Okay. This is the front. I kind of like it on the front. Or is it too like...
I don't like it.
When our eyes met.
Okay, so I have this two-piece on, and I'm just going to try and do my hair. I don't really know how to do half up, half down. I'm too tall for this. No, I don't know how to do this. Is this right? Like I'm just tying up.
That's too much.
Too much hair?
He has too much hair.
You're in my mind.
Should I use a scrunchie or a normal hair tie?
I close my eyes.
And should I use the normal hair tie or
is that high?
the white one?
Yeah, the white one. Yeah, the white one. Nah, it's still too much hair. Let me do it.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you leave a lot out.
Okay.
I usually grab it like just from the side of there. Kind of like that. And then you kind of like, instead of doing it high, you do it low so that it covers the line.
Okay.
Like, oh, she knows. Oh, that was too much.
In the meadow, on our favorite place. When spring is coming.
Thank you.
I feel like that's good.
Yeah, no, I feel like that's really cute, even if I do say so myself. Okay, hairstyle is done, half up, half down.
Tighter.
Yeah, don't have enough.
Yeah, it's very loose.
Yeah. See, if I was breastfeeding, I would have some more.
Oh, you're so cute. Hold on. Can you like put your finger here?
Thank you. So we're up to makeup.
But I won't lie, I still miss you so much. But I don't hold grudge. You had to go.
Like, also since I'm not even that sure what I want to do.
Yeah.
But I started seeing a Chinese traditional herbalist last week.
On our favorite place.
He's like so lovely and nice and smart.
Spring is coming. You're like a flower. You've always loved them. When
You're like so sweet though, and she's so like, what's his name? My favorite character, the best friends.
Oh, do you want a wing?
Maybe a little one.
Little one?
I love how he's like, you dirty pig.
Yeah. Hey, just don't talk while I do this. Wow, you actually look like an angel. Like, wow. Okay, let me just do a little one.
Thank you. Do you reckon little line's too hard?
Stunning. No, we'll just do the edge instead of the whole way across.
Okay.
Yeah, cute.
I'm not bothered
And
to
then
do
just a good
lipstick
gloss.
or anything.
Did I put blush on you already?
I don't know. I don't think so.
No, I didn't. Wait, did I?
You put something on my face, but I think it was
Yeah,
brown.
I did.
Oh, you did?
No, I did put blush on you.
Do you want to take a thumbnail quickly?
Yeah. Can I do my hair first?
Yeah. Should I put a gloss on now or just before we
Put it
leave?
on now. Put on.
This is a really pretty lip gloss.
Yeah, I know, it's stunning.
Yeah.
Like cashew cheese and stuff.
Oh, yeah, when I was going to say, Irene ordered vegan nachos last night and I tried some and it tasted so much like normal cheese to me.
Yeah.
She said it didn't to her because she eats cheese, but like because I haven't had cheese in so long, it tasted like cheese.
Yeah.
I don't know how I felt about that. I don't know what to do, so we're going to put a poll up to where we eat. It's going to be out of Nulla Nulla or 2 other places. I have to pick either Green's Show or
Yes,
Pilgrims to put as the second option, but I just have no idea, so I'm looking at the menu. This is hard. I can't make decisions.
Oh my god, your makeup looks beautiful.
That all sounds really good. And if we went to Pilgrims, that also sounds really good. I hate. No, help. Okay, if we went to Pilgrims, I guess I'd get a burrito bowl. Actually, Actually, why don't you decide? What do you reckon should be the second option? I want to now make it Pilgrims versus Green Sisho, but you're like set on Nulla Nulla. I kind of want Green Sisho.
Don't do that.
But then I kind of want Pilgrims.
I hate you.
Same. I hate me too. Okay, come and take a thing over with me already.
Okay.
I kind of want Green Sisho, but I'm also thinking we're going to be going to Japan and getting like Japanese food.
Exactly.
And like Pilgrims is like cool. Okay. So wait, is it okay just then? Okay. 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 Also, I kind of want to do two that you want to do because like that's like, you know, nice.
Oh, thanks. That's so sweet.
Last poll, where are we going for dinner? Wait, do I need a filter now that I have makeup on? Probably yes. Okay, I didn't do a filter, so I look a bit like an egg. I look like an egg, I'm retaking that. Noah. Noah. While people vote on that poll, we're gonna go and take a cute picture.
Okay, I'm gonna vote first.
Portrait mode's kind of weird. Like it blurs the outside too much.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time.
Yeah, the Instagram camera's annoying. We're attempting to do a self-timer, just picture together, and it's really a struggle.
Take my advice. Let go, let go. I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, cut.
Such a nice night. There's Kiara looking super beautiful as always. Kiara!
The ocean.
So we're at Cronulla and now we're checking the last poll. I'm really hoping we get Pilgrims. I'm really hoping we get Nulla. Oh, Cronulla definitely won. Oh. Yes! Nulla Nulla! Really vibing Pilgrims. Yay!
The ocean. It takes some time, even though it's just a smile. But I hate it when I'm faking. With you all night in a body that ain't mine, thinking I am gonna burst you and I.
This looks gangster.
Behind and I'm ready to go. Get out while we hold.
It's really good. Not crispy though. But really good. So pretty. We just finished dinner. Yeah, so last poll is gonna be, do we hook up? Yes, no, just kidding.
Are you actually putting that in?
No, no. Well, it is date night.
Good night, kiss.
Do you want to walk on the sand or just on the, yeah.
That is kind of cute.
Oh, it actually is. Anyway, so we just finished dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. That would mean a lot. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. And I upload every Wednesday and Sunday now. So, yeah, I know. I love how you...
Beautiful.
Wow, okay. The world is really beautiful right now. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye!